Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how you can download and play Rocket League for free on your PC or laptop. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to download and play Rocket League for free on your PC or laptop, it's actually pretty easy. Just follow what I'm gonna do. So for the first step, you will need to download the Epic Games Launcher, since this is the game launcher for Rocket League, and there's also where we can download the game. So without it, we won't be able to install and play it. But if you already have Epic Games Launcher installed on your desktop, like for example you already installed it to play Fortnite, you can skip this step. So to download Epic Games Launcher, first, I want you to go to your Google Chrome or any web browser on your device. And once you're on your web browser, next, just search for Epic Games Launcher. And after searching, you will now be able to see this website, which is the official website of Epic Games, and this is also where we can download their game launcher, so just go and click it. And then you will now be on the website. So to download the Epic Games Launcher on this website, just click this install button. And after that, your Epic Games Launcher will now start downloading, just wait for it to finish. And once it's finished, you can now click the file to start installing the app. Then you will now begin the installation setup. So right here, your system will show you the location where the Epic Games Launcher's installation files will be saved. If you want to change it, you can click this change button and then set the location to the folder where you want to save it. But if you're already fine with the location, just click install. And after that, your Epic Games Launcher will now start installing, just wait for it to finish. And once it's finished, the app will automatically open. So right here, you will need to sign in your Epic Games account first before you can proceed, but if you still don't have an account, you can create one right here. Just click it and then it will direct you to the page where you can set up and create your account. Creating an Epic Games account is so easy, guys. It's basically the same as other platforms. You will just need to enter your email, username, and password, and then you will be able to create your account. But in my case, I already have an account, so I will just log it in right here. And then Epic Games will send a verification message to the email that you used to create your Epic Games account. So just open that email and then you will be able to see a message from Epic Games that will contain a verification code just like this. Once you see the code, you just need to enter it right here. And after that, you will now be signed in. So now that you've signed in your Epic Games account, let me now show you how to download Rocket League on this app. So to download Rocket League here, it's so simple, you just need to search for the game. And after searching, you will now be able to see Rocket League, so just go and click it. And after that, just click this get button right here. By the way guys, if you are worried about paying anything, Rocket League is a completely free game, so you can download and play the game without paying anything. And right here, I want you to click place order. And after that, Rocket League will now be added to your game library, so just click this view in library button to find the game. And here's the game Rocket League, guys, just go and click it. Then after clicking it, Epic Games will show you the total game's size and the location where the game's installation files will be saved. If you want to change it, just click browse, but if you're already fine with the location, just click install. Then you will need to agree to their terms and service policy first before they start your game installation, so just check this box and click accept. And after that, there it is guys, it's done. Congratulations, the game will now start installing. Just wait for it to finish and then you will be able to play it. And so that's just how you do it, guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.